Hello, today I am going to talk about the Pure Silk Raspberry Mist Spa Therapy Shave Cream for Women. This is 5 ounces, as you can see, and this is the shaving cream I use to shave my legs, my armpits, and other areas of my body. And I was looking for a nice feminine shaving cream because lately I use a lot of my boyfriend's products, which happens when you move in with someone you care about. Sometimes you just start using all their things. And I mean, it does the trick, but I definitely wanted something that made me feel more like me, girly. It is a foam. I'm going to demonstrate here. Whoops. See, a lot comes out at once, just so you see. All I did was press it for like a second and all this came out. So keep that in mind when you're shaving, that a lot will come out at the same time and you won't need to just keep pressing down on it. It's this container, you press down on the white up here. It's a button and that's how it comes out. It's a pretty lightweight container. Smells like raspberry. I can smell it from here. And as you can see, it's a frothy foam. Had this now for about 3 days and so far I love it. I have had this before, but it wasn't raspberry, it was another one of their flavors. They make a few of them. I have used the shaving cream so many times and that's because it's so great. It fits in my luggage, but I usually keep it in my shower next to my products. They do have like travel sizes, and it is moisturizing with aloe, which is nice. It doesn't just do the trick, it's actually very nourishing to your skin, which I really appreciate. And I use it, when I use it, I like shake it first and then you're supposed to press. That's just how it works. And it is paraben free. It is not animal tested. And it is made in the USA. It does have a fragrance, so it's not hypoallergenic. So be careful if you do have sensitive skin. This could work for you, but if you do have allergies, you should be a little bit more careful. You never know with scented products like this, ladies. The can is metal aerosol and it has a very smooth application. The bottom of the can, well, right now it's full of stuff, but it's rust free, so at the bottom, like when you put it down, you don't have to worry about leaving that. It's rust proof, so at the bottom you don't have to worry about leaving that circle. You know, sometimes when we put it down in the bathtub after we've shaved, the next time we go to shower, we see this like circle of rust. And so this is rust proof and it doesn't do that. And it doesn't do that on the container either, which is really nice. Because that's always annoying to have to clean up. You're trying to clean yourself and there you are making a mess in your shower, you know? It is a very like gentle cream. The can is very powerful. It's really easy to use. It's just such a simple application. And the top here is pink. And then here it's silver, the metallic color. And it does come with a cap, and the cap is bright pink. It matches this, and it's not opaque. It's a solid plastic color. It definitely makes my skin feel very soft in the process, and I don't have any aftershave bumps afterwards. And Pure Silk is the company. They're from the makers of Barbasol and manufactured in Ohio, and the container itself is recyclable, so that is also great. If you are looking for a new shaving cream, you should definitely check this out. This is really great, especially if you're looking for something that smells really good and has a nice scent and it's just very moisturizing. Thank you so much for watching.